Hey, we're here at our second anniversary, man, with Extreme FX Global Academy. 2 years in business, it's still going strong. It's a new year, new beginning. It's time for a change. Extreme is the company for the future. We're cutting edge, innovative, and we're looking for some exciting people to help us get to the next level for 2023.
We have a great community that we call the Extreme FX Common Unity, where we just operate in love. We want to see everyone win. And one thing that we always say here in Extreme is that we are the founders that can be found. We want to see you succeed, and we're also going to be doing that right alongside of you.
Extreme Effect is a great investment simply because you have a way to learn about money, to make money, to gather money, and then to invest money.
To leave a generational wealth or leave a legacy for our families, we need to be able to take all of those steps.
Extreme Effects provides the opportunity for growth and to work amongst professionals who really want you to grow.
We teach people from start to finish how to understand the chart from the economic side all the way to the analytics side.
We're literally helping people across 5 industries to generate income. So this is absolutely the place to be. Real estate, trading, financial technology. We also have a blockchain project and a very powerful affiliate marketing program.
We learn from each other. We love on each other. So this is a great place to come and just create relationships.
What made me say yes was the feeling of the common unity, knowing that you're not doing this alone and you're able to get in and make money with like-minded people.
I'm learning, I'm excited about it, and it's something that I know I can show other people as well.
Wherever you came in, we just want to say thank you and we appreciate you. We're super excited about 2023 and the year that we're going to have before. We got more events coming up, more technology, great new apparel, more strategic partnerships. We're going to make a whole lot more money, bring a lot more students and be able to take this company to the next level. And we just want to say thank you, we appreciate you, and we're looking forward for an amazing, exciting 2023 as we take this company to the next level.
Good morning. Good morning. Welcome everybody to the Move of the Day. Your host, King Nelson. Let's get to this bag, family. Let's get to the money. Let's get to these charts. Let's see what we can find. All right. So if you guys can hear me, go ahead and drop a 1 in the chat just so I can be sure that my mic is coming through light and clear. Awesome. Thank you, Crystal. All right, let's go. Let's get to this market. All right, if there's any pairs you guys want me to take a look at, go ahead and drop it in the chat as well. Looks like we're getting a bullish run this morning with indices. It has been bullish, y'all. Indices have been bullish, man. We've been catching some good buys past couple days. All right. Maybe like a couple weeks already. Right, we knew that I was going to buy. I think I put this out last time we was on. The market has already shifted. It is in a buy, right? If we understand how the market moves, it moves in waves and there's structure, right? Structure is the foundation of trading, right? In my opinion, right? So as long as you know structure, you'd understand, the direction of the market. And when you understand the direction of the market, you could go ahead and capitalize on the movements of the market. All right. So if it's a bullish run here, and I believe that we're probably going to catch well, it's already on a bullish run. All right. So we already broke structure in the higher time frame, 4 hours. We have a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Then we have the violation here. And then we have, market shift, right? Market shift. So be prepared for some bullish moves in the market. All right. So there's always some retracements. You can catch the retracements as well. But, if you're a beginner trader, make sure that you're on the right side of the market. You trade with the trend. All right, family. So I'm going to take a look at indices. Oh my gosh, man. Beautiful buy opportunities of the indices. Setups are just phenomenal, right? They're really nice setups. 5 minute, 1 minute setups from the 15-minute structure. Let me see here. If we could get this 5 minute to give us a setup for the buy, we could take that setup for the buy. We do have some fair value gaps over here to the left. So there is a possibility for this to retrace even more before we get another bullish run. We just got to wait for the confirmations and trade what we see, not what we feel. All right, family. So we got to get the correct setups in order to trade these. So let's look at AUD USD. Again, family, if you guys have any pairs you want me to take a look at, go ahead and drop it in the chat, and I'll definitely take a look at it. What's up, Jonathan? Good morning. Good morning. We can see that AUD USD came down to mitigate. All right, mitigate this order block here and just go right back up. Right. So here's what I'm thinking about AUD USD. AUD USD has to break this here. We have an order block up here. All right, so if we get a violation of this area, right, I want to see it, this bullish run, break this support and resistance, right, and this order block area. If we get a violation and it's a strong violation where it just bursts right through it, this thing is going to buy. All right, it's going to buy, maybe even for the day. All right. So, but if we do not get a violation of this area, right, and it respects this area, we're probably going to see market retrace down even more. All right. So just be careful if you're trading AUD USD. You have to see evidence of this market wanting to go higher, and the evidence is, all right, the evidence is that this has to be broken. All right, we have to go up and close up and give us a buy signal. Gold, yes. All right, EU. Let me start with EU. I'll get to gold, but let me look at EU real quick. EU 1 hour, 4 hour buys. Structure is looking good for the buy. We have fair value gaps here to the left, so there could be a nice buy opportunity coming up. Yes, there is a buy. Yes, yes. Awesome. Okay, so Euro USD, I believe it's going to buy today. All right, it's going to buy today. Wait for retracements. Don't get into these expansions. It's already expanded. So wait for this retracement to happen and give you a setup on the 5-minute. Look for the buy setup on the 5-minute. If you have the system, look for the buy setup, a buy setup on the 5-minute. All right, 15 minutes already broken structure. To go back up, we have a lower low, or lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then a violation of this indicates that the market is shifting again. All right, so we're going to be looking for a buy on the 5-minute, setup, and then catch that buy on EU. I just gave out odd USD, so let me look at gold. Gold, 1 hour. Yeah, gold looked like it shifted to go up. All right, we have lower high, lower low, and it violated. Right, so there's a violation of on the 15-minute structure. So market looks like it wants to buy up, and I believe it's going to buy. We got to wait for the setup, though. We have to wait for the setup, even the 1-minute or 5-minute setup. I'm looking at that 1-minute. Let me see the 5-minute. We gotta see more evidence on the 5-minute. On the 15, 30. Oh, the 30 is already taken off. Yeah, 1 hour took off. Yeah, so look for the setup on the 30-minute as well, which is the retest. All right, we have the logo happening. Start from the bottom, break to the top, come right back to the EMA line, retest it, and then possibly shoot up even more. So I'm looking for the gold to buy. All right, I'm looking for gold to buy. If you're trading gold, look for a buy signal either on the 1-minute or 5-minute. All right. And if we get a retest on the 30-minute, man, take that. Right? I would be taking it. Right. So hold on. Let me do something real quick, you guys. Okay, hopefully that shows up. If there's any other pairs or anything you guys want to take a look at, go ahead and drop it in the chat, family. We are about to get a setup on. Yes, a setup on the NAS 100. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be a beautiful setup this morning. All right, look like we're gonna catch some good buys on the indices this morning. It's looking good for the buys, right? So let's keep an eye on this. I like to make sure that all our confirmations are in line, and then we're able to take the trade. But like I always say, family, patience pays the bills, right? Patience pays the bills. If you have to develop the character of patience, right? Because if you don't have patience and waiting for the market to play out and give you all your confirmations, you're going to it's going to take a little bit longer than expected, all right, to be a profitable trader. All right, so the goal for the game, right? The goal for trading is to be profitable, right? And if you're not profitable, you have to reevaluate, what you're doing. All right, so let's wait patiently for setups to happen, and then we take the trade from the setups, not before and not after, right? We have to make sure that we're taking the setups when they present itself. Let's go NAS S&P. I'm looking for US 30 as well. I think it was like a couple of weeks ago I mentioned that these indices are going to buy, and they're going to buy indefinite, right? There is bullish runs now, so only look for buys. It was a couple of weeks ago that I said that, and this market has been buying like crazy. All right, because we understand the movement of the market. We understand structure. If you understand structure, all right, you'll probably be a better trader than you are now. But if you don't understand structure, right, you're gonna just be making a lot of mistakes, right? Because you don't know that the market is shifted or the market is continuing. All right, so we just have to make sure that we know the direction of the market before we even trade it. Welcome everybody hopping on. This is the move of the day with your host King Nelson. All right, we're just looking at the market, looking for opportunities. All right, we're not in a rush. All right, we're not in a rush. Don't ever be in a rush. Right, we have to stay, patient and let me get this. Looking for the right setups, right, so we can trade. But other than that, man, we can't be either over trading or trading, what we see or what we don't see, right? We're trading how we feel. We don't want to do that. We have to trade what we see, trade what the market gives us. And for those of you who are hopping on, if you go ahead and drop, some pairs you want me to take a look at. If you guys are interested in some pairs to take a look at, let me see here. I'll just go to G. Oh my gosh, look at that. US 30. US 30 is taking off. 15-minute setup on that US 30 was crazy. But we're gonna take our time, look for some setups either on the 5 or 1 minute. We know it's going to buy, right? So let's look for the setups on the 1 and 5 minute for entry points. At 30 minute on 15 minute on US 30, man, just took off, man. It made some good movements this morning. So we know that it's going to buy, right? We know that it's going to buy. We just have to wait for setups to give us an opportunity to get in. Good morning, Miss Lynn. All right. We have 10 more minutes, family. There's 10 more minutes for the market to open. Need you guys to prepare yourselves, right? Take this time to, make sure that your lot sizes are right. Make sure that you're in your if you're compounding, make sure that your compound is correct, right? The amount that you're looking for. Most importantly, make sure that your risk management is in place. All right, you don't want to over trade your lot size, right? You don't want to put a lot size in that you're not ready to put in, right? So good morning, Mama Leah. Waiting for NAS to come down. NAS is coming down. They're probably going to give us a setup before the market opens, right? So make sure, what do you have down? If you have, your amount that you're looking for to this morning, right? I like to set goals, and the goals that I put in, I really want to, capitalize on those goals, on the movements of the market to reach my goal. All right, so, but if I have no goal, I'm just trading, aimlessly. Yeah, so make sure you have your goals written down in front of you, all right, to remind you what you need to make today. And if you are not compounding, I strongly suggest that you get into a compounding plan. Right? Compounding will help you. All right, come on, Nas. Come back down a little bit. We got like 7 more minutes, family. So just prepare yourself. All right, prepare yourself. And those of you who are just hopping on, if you guys have any pairs you guys want me to take a look at, go ahead and drop it in the chat, and I will take a look at it, give you some pointers, and give you some, foresight of what is going on with that pair. USD JPY. Got you, Mama Leah. USD JPY. USD JPY, you can put a buy stop on USD JPY. USD JPY buy stop on the 15-minute buy stop, Mama Leah. 154.427. 154.427. 154.427. That is a buy stop on USD JPY. Come on. Now, US 30s is buying like crazy, which is, what we're expecting. Now we need to wait for, market to give us an entry point. Right? We need a market to give us an entry point. So we need it to come down, give us a opportunity to get in. 6:25. We got 5 more minutes for the market to open. For the bell to ring, actually. All right, and then we'll look for an opportunity to get in. Man, US 30 just took off. US 30 took off, man. That's crazy. Yeah, so we'll just wait for the market to give us a perfect opportunity to get in. That's what we're waiting for, family. We don't want to prematurely jump into this market because we'll start to, if we get in, market starts to retrace, right? Then you have all kinds of emotions running through your veins, right? And then you don't want to do that, right? You want to be able to, get in at the right time and hopefully make some good profits. We just got all green on US 30. I'm loving this. On NAS 100, S&P all as well. All right, we have all green 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hours to about to turn all green. So we're in a good position, y'all. We're in a good position right here with US 30, NAS, and S&P. We just got to be patient enough to wait for the entry points. How many of you guys are ready? How many of you guys are prepared for today? Did you guys prepare yourself mentally? Right? Did you prepare yourself physically to get into this market? You don't want to just get up and coast through the day looking at this market. You want to be prepared, right? You want to get your mindset right. All right, you want to get your goals in place. We ready? Yes, Damon. That's what's up, bro. Got to prepare, right? You got to prepare yourself mentally. Let's go, Christo. We need this market to retrace down. This thing is shooting up, right? It is shooting up, man. This market is bullish like crazy right now. But we need an entry point, right? Entry points, we don't want to get in on expansions. We get in on, retracements for the next expansion. Because this thing could just crash on down and we'll get stuck in the drawdown for Lord knows how long, right? And we don't want to do that. Come on, market. I need you to pull back. I need you to retrace a little bit more so we could get into this market and be profitable. Come on down. All right, y'all. We have 1 more minute. Less than a minute left. So market is about to go crazy here in a bit. Hopefully we get a setup before 7 o'clock. And I'm pretty sure we are. You got to have your trade lockers open. 6:30. Here we are, y'all. Here we are. Market is opened. Nice drops. We have nice drops in the market. All right, be ready, y'all. Be ready. We have a buy stop on US 30. Buy stop US 30. Right? Buy stop US 30. The first entry, right? If you're wanting to enter this market with the first confirmation, you could enter now, or you wait. You can wait for the confirmation touch, right? I prefer that you wait for the confirmation touch if you're new at trading US 30. Wait for the confirmation touch with US 30. NAS is running up, family. NAS is running up. So we're going to get buys today for sure, right? There's going to be buy opportunities today for sure. Just wait for the retracements and get into the market. Come on, come on. Yeah, we're gonna wait, family. Wait for confirmation, a little bit more confirmations on this. Oh, there's US 30. Let's go. Let's go. US 30, baby. US 30. Giving out the bag. Come on, y'all. US 30, that buy stop. Buy stop on US 30 is in profit, y'all. It is big profits with US 30. Come on, y'all. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. If we get a violation of this top here, this thing is going to run. Would you? Let's go. It's gone. It's about to run. It's setting up right now, family. US 30 is setting up for another buy. You said buy stop, King Nelson. You said buy stop 15 minutes. Yes, buy stop. 15-minute buy stop. SL on USDJPY. Hold on, family. Hold on. Let me see. US 30 is a buy stop, y'all. US 30 is a buy stop. USDJPY buy stop. Let's put buy stop at stop loss at 154.243. 154.243. That's sell stop stop loss. It has not activated yet, family. It has not activated yet. So if you put a buy stop already on US 30, like when I told you guys to, it's already in profit. It's already in profit, y'all. So make sure you collect some of that profit. Gold. What did I put on gold? Did I put a buy stop on? I think I put a buy stop on gold. Is told you the market's shifting for gold. It's going to buy, right? So If you put in that buy stop on the 1 minute, right? 1 minute buy stop. Put a buy stop now. Buy stop on gold. Buy stop on gold. 2318. 2318. Oh my gosh. See, gold is gonna give it a nice buy, y'all. Buy stop again, US 30. 38909. 38909. Buy stop US 30. Buy stop US 30, y'all. 38909. Make sure you put a buy stop. Oh, come on, dude. What are you doing? Oh, it won't allow me? Come on, dude. There we go. Finally, let me. S&P is coming down. NAS 100. Wait for that setup on NAS 100. Meaning, wait for that setup. It's about to set up, right? So it's got to come down a little bit more. Don't trade NAS until you get that setup, right? It's going to buy today. Today looks very good for the buy. Just make sure that your confirmations are in place. If you put your buy stop in a US 30, you're in profit already. US 30 is in profit. Let's go. Make sure you're collecting, y'all. Make sure you're collecting. You're in profit with US 30. Make sure you're collecting some of them profits, y'all. Make your goal for the day. Wait for the setup on NAS, and S&P is about to set up real nice. So make sure you're looking for the confirmations. We already have 2 of our confirmations, right, on S&P and NAS. So just wait for that 3rd confirmation on NAS. Let's go. Come on. You guys are in profit with US 30. If you guys are not taking any profits with US 30, you got to reevaluate what your goals are. Let's go. Let's go. Listen, how many are in profit with you? Who took the US 30 trade that I just put out? I put out multiple entries with US 30. They are all in profit. All of them. All of them are in profit with US 30. You cannot. Make sure you're collecting. Let's go. Come on, y'all. Come on. Let's go, Crystal. Let's go, Crystal. Let's get this money, y'all. Let's get this money. I made my goal for the day already, y'all. I made my goal for the day already. US 30 gave out multiple bags at the entry points that I gave out. Got a bag. Let's go, Lynn. Let's go, Lynn. Wait for the setups, y'all. The setup. Let's go. Come on, y'all. Come on. Who's in the US 30 trade? Man, I trade US 30, y'all. Let's get this bag, y'all. Let's look at this. Trading has never been so easy, y'all. Trading has never been so easy. If you wait for your confirmations, if you wait for your setups, right, you let the market tell you when to get in. You don't tell yourself when to get in. Ooh, that's a good one right there. You wait for the market to tell you to get in. You don't get in just to get in when you want to get in. You wait for the market to tell you to get in. Come on, y'all. This is too easy. This is too easy. Yes, it is, Crystal. Yes, it is. Let's go, y'all. Let's go. I'm waiting for NAS and S&P to set up. This is what I do, y'all. I trade indices. This is what I do, right? I love it. I mean, indices is my babies, right? So I'll tell you guys how to get. When I get in on indices, I'll tell you to get in on indices. All right, so we'll wait for S&P and we'll wait for NAS to give us a good setup, but it has not given us a good setup yet. All right, has not given us a good setup yet. US 30, yeah, that baby's giving out some bags right now. Let's go. It's about to break, y'all. Yes, Miss Lynn Chandler. Let's go celebrate that. Now go have yourself steak and eggs. Go get some steak and eggs. Let's go, y'all. Let's go. Let's go, y'all. Let's go. The move of the day already happened, y'all. The move of the day, that US 30 already gave out bags, multiple. If you did not get into US 30, it's next time maybe if your account, I don't know what the situation is, but try to trade US 30 when I give out these signals, all right? Because I trade US 30. This is what I trade. I trade US 30, I trade S&P, and I trade NAS. These are the only three that I trade, right? But all the principles are the same with every pair. The principles in this market are all the same. The laws are all the same, right? The laws of this market, you can apply it to any market, right? And it works. S&P is pulling back to give us another entry. We're going to wait patiently for that, though, for real. What is gold doing? Did anybody look at gold? Did I give out a buy signal on gold? Did I give out a buy signal on gold? I think I said the buy gold. Did I say buy gold? I don't even remember. I don't remember if I said buy gold or not, but gold is buying, y'all. Gold is buying. It's about to come down to give us a confirmation touch. Put a buy stop on gold again. If you don't have a buy stop on gold, put a buy stop on gold right now. You can put a buy stop on gold right now. 23.18, 23.18. All right now, it should be a profit then. Yep, I told you put a buy stop on gold. Look at the confirmation touch. Look at the confirmation touch here. You cannot make this stuff up. Wait for these confirmations. Look at this. One green, 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 red, green, green. We got the logo, and then we got the confirmation touch here. Y'all, these confirmation touches, you know, when they come, they give you at least 10 pips, yo, at least 10 pips. This trade's going to go up for sure. All right, we're in a buy with gold, right? If it does retrace a little bit more, it'll probably trace a little bit more. But if it doesn't, this thing is going to shoot. It is going to shoot, y'all. What is USD JPY doing, Mama Leah? That 15-minute buy stop. I don't know if you guys put the 15-minute buy stop, but still good. 15-minute buy stop is still good. $23.18. Nice. Yeah, so gold did put out a bag already. All right, gold put out a bag already, y'all. And USD JPY is going to buy as well. It's in the structure. As long as we don't get a violation of this structure, we're still, you know, confident in the buy. US 30 confirmation touch here. US 30 confirmation touch on that 1 minute. Come on, man. You cannot make this stuff up, dude. Cannot make this stuff up, man. We're probably going to get a retracement if we don't violate this high right here with US 30. But it already gave a bag. If it breaks this high, this thing is going to run. I'm waiting for S&P and NAS to set up a little better. If S&P and NAS set up a little better, then we'll get into a trade with S&P and NAS. Come on, let's go. S&P is pulling back. Exactly what we wanted to do. Right, we need to get an entry point. Right, if we don't get in on higher highs, we get in on higher lows. Right, so we want to make sure that the market is pulled back significantly enough for us to get in. There you go. Pull back. Let's get it. All right, S&P. Wait for the logo for S&P. Wait for the logo to happen with S&P. We have two of the 4 confirmations that I use, right, with S&P. We need the next one is we need the logo to happen, and then we need that confirmation touch to give us a more confirmed trade. US 30 is pumping again, y'all. US 30 is pumping again. Is anybody still in US 30? Mama Leah, what's the thumb downs for? What is the thumbs down for, Mama Leah? What happened? Did you get into the US 30 trade, Mama Leah? S&P and NAS is giving out a setup now. Right, we do have the close on the bottom is what we want to see. Now we want to see the logo form. We want to see that close on the bottom, hit rush to the top, close on the top, and then retest that line, retest that EMA. And then we're in there like swim web. US 30's going. US 30's going. Man, US 30 violates that high. We're going to get a nice run. All right, y'all. I need you guys to pay attention to NAS 100 and S&P. If you guys took in the class that I give out, right, that I give on knowing how to look for the confirmations on this system, I use those confirmations, and I'm always in profit, y'all. Right? I'm always in profit. At the end of the day, I make my daily goal. At the end of the week, I exceed my my weekly goal, right? And I'm giving you guys what I do. Right? I'm giving you guys a secret sauce that I use myself. I'm not going to give you nothing that I don't use, right? That I'm not profitable for using. Let's go. Let's go. US 30 Crystal. Let's go. I told you that it's going to, man, US 30 is going to run now. That thing is going to run. All right, we got to close on S&P. We got to close on S&P. Put a buy stop on S&P. Buy stop S&P at 51.90. 51.90. Buy stop S&P. Buy stop S&P 500. Buy stop, y'all. Put a buy stop on S&P 500. 51.90. 51.90. Get your money. Get your money, Crystal. We have a buy stop, family, on S&P 500. Wait for NAS to give us the confirmation. We needed to close on top. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my gosh, look at US 30. Woo-wee! Oh, man. US 30 is going crazy, y'all, giving out a huge bag. It is going to run. Hold on, Crystal. I think it's in the back office. It's the second and fourth Tuesday of every month. Second and fourth Tuesday of every month. So this is the first Tuesday. All right, so it's next Tuesday we'll be having the class. Next Tuesday, family, is the second and fourth Tuesday of every month. Make sure you attend this class. Put a buy stop on NAS. Buy stop NAS. Buy stop NAS. 18116. 18116. Buy stop NAS. S&P is in profit, y'all. S&P is in profit. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That buy stop on NAS, y'all. Buy stop on NAS. Make sure that your team, make sure you mark that on your calendars, and then make sure that your teams hop on. Right? I'm going to be showing you guys what I do in this market with this system. I have been very profitable with this system, y'all. Let's go, y'all. Let's go. Look at the confirmation touches. 9 out of 10 times this thing is going to run. I'll put a buy stop right now with NAS 100. Buy stop 18118. 18118. Buy stop NAS. 18118 buy stop NAS. Buy stop, same buy stop on S&P 500. The same buy stop 5190. Where's NAS at? There it is. Buy stop on NAS, buy stop on S&P. $658, family, $658. We have a couple more minutes. So here's what I'm going to leave you guys with, right? Make sure that NAS and S&P does not violate any lows, right? So the low I'm looking at, right, for NAS and S&P on the 5-minute and on the 1-minute, I do not want NAS to come down and give us a violation of, let me see where the structure is. Let's do S&P first. S&P low here. Probably going to come down to this area maybe. I do not want NAS to come down and break this low. If NAS comes down to break this low, this thing is going to run down, right? It's going to run down. That's S&P. Sorry about the S&P. On NAS, NAS, we're probably going to look at this area here. We do not want market to come down and violate this area. All right, we'll look at this area. If it does violate that area, that thing's going to run down even a little bit more. So that's why we put buy stops, family. That's why we put buy stops, right? As long as the market doesn't retrace up and put us in that we're not in the market yet. All right. So make sure that you're well within your risk management. Your risk management and your goal for the day. All right. Make sure that when you reach your goal for the day, don't overtrade. US 30 is about to give another setup. So just pay attention to that right there. The US 30. I like the setup on US 30. It's more cleaner. It's a cleaner setup on US 30. So when you see a setup on US 30, I would take it. Right. I'm going to take it. Right. So it's more cleaner. It's nice. It's forming structure real nice. So we might get a setup on the 5-minute on NAS and S&P. All right, make sure that you're looking out for that area as well. But that's it, family. 7 o'clock. Congratulations to those who hopped on and made some money. Man, y'all, plug in. And if you don't have, if you reach out to the person that invited you to this call, right? And if you don't have any sponsors, talk to somebody on here. All right, family. But yes, great job to those who hopped on, man, and made some money. And those of you who just hopped on to watch, to take notes. This is what we do. We do this every Tuesday and Thursday with the community. Myself and Mr. Aaron Maddox does it as well on Thursdays. So tune in on Thursdays as well. All right, family. With that said, God bless y'all, and I'll see you at the top because the bottom is way too crowded.
Hey, we're here at our second anniversary, man, with Extreme FX Global Academy. 2 years in business, it's still going strong. It's the new year, new beginning. It's time for a change. Extreme is the company for the future. We're cutting edge, innovative, and we're looking for some exciting people to help us get to the next level for 2023.
We have a great community that we call the Extreme FX Community, where we just operate in love. We want to see everyone win. And one thing that we always say here in Extreme is that we are the founders that can be found. We want to see you succeed, and we're also going to be doing that right alongside of you.
Extreme Effect is a great investment simply because you have a way to learn about money, to make money, to gather money, and then to invest money.
To leave a generational wealth or leave a legacy for our families, we need to be able to take all of those steps.
Extreme FX provides the opportunity for growth and to work among professionals who really want you to grow.
We teach people from start to finish how to understand the chart from the economic side all the way to the analytics side.
We're literally helping people across 5 industries to generate income. So this is absolutely the place to be. Real estate, trading, financial technology. We also have a blockchain project and a very powerful affiliate marketing program.
We learn from each other. We love on each other. So this is a great place to come and just create relationships.
What made me say yes was the feeling of the community, knowing that you're not doing this alone and you're able to get in and make money with like-minded people.
I'm learning, I'm excited about it, and it's something that I know I can show other people as well.
Wherever you came in, we just want to say thank you and we appreciate you. We're super excited about 2023 and the year that we're going to have before. We got more events coming up, more technology, great new apparel, more strategic partnerships. We're going to make a whole lot more money, bringing a lot more students and be able to take this company to the next level. And we just want to say thank you, we appreciate you, and we are looking forward for an amazing, exciting 2023 as we take this company to the next level.